Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate phone cases. We're going to be making these ones right here. I'm actually going to show you guys how you can create an entire line of these phone cases using one bundle from Design Bundles. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the supplies that you're going to need for today's tutorial. You're going to need some blank cell phone cases. These are actually made for sublimation. So whenever you're going to get them, they're going to come with the phone case as well as a metal insert. This is what you're going to sublimate on. And so just make sure when you get these that they're made for sublimation. Also to note, I want to mention it right away, there's actually a plastic film on here that we have to peel off before we sublimate on these. So you're going to need your cell phone case blanks. You can also get them in many different sizes. So you can actually get cases like this, you know, where you can hold your credit cards and all of those kind of things. Different brands, different cases. Another thing that you're going to need is your printed designs. So I used my Sawgrass SG500 as well as my 1000 just to show you the difference. Now you can get both of these with the SG1000, but I just wanted to show you the different sizes and how many you can get done. Now this is a bigger case, so say this is the max. You can still do that over here. You can accomplish several. I actually trimmed this down because my cat decided to get up here and get a few footprints. So I decided to trim that down, but you can get 6 per page. So as you can see, you can accomplish a lot. You could get a lot of work done with one sheet of paper. So this is pennies to make these things. So you could do 6 at a time, 3 at a time. I want to take you guys over to the heat press just to quickly show you how these would fit under a 15 by 15 press. All right, so over here at the heat press, this is a 15 by 15 heat press, and as you can see comfortably, I can fit this 8.5 by 11, get 3 phone cases at a time, and press those. So the same thing with this one right here. Once again, this was printed on 11 by 17. You can see that I can comfortably get 6 cases at a time. So that is really, really nice whenever you're using a heat press. Now you can also use your Cricut Easy Press to make these. So if you guys are using your 6 by 7, you could cut these down individual and do them one at a time. You could also do these one at a time on the heat press, which is what I'm going to show you today. Another thing that you're going to need is some heat resistant tape. You're going to either need some butcher paper or you want to have some, copy paper. If you're using copy paper, you want to use a few sheets or some cardstock. This stuff is actually baking sheets you can get down at your local store or on Amazon. All right, so let's go ahead and prep for our design. I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to trim these down because like I said, I'm just going to do one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and trim these down. Now, I accidentally chose the wrong template for this one here. So it's a little bit bigger than my actual phone case, but it's totally fine. So I'm going to show you that today. Now, I want to go ahead and do a purple one so that way I can show you some different stuff. And also, I thought I would bring it up. I didn't even show you guys this. This is the case that we're going to be making today, one similar to this one. So as you guys can see, how cute is that? All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is have your design like this. You're going to want to peel off that protective coating. Now, when I'm peeling this off, I am keeping my hands off of this. You definitely want to keep your fingerprints off this. Make sure no lint or debris get on it. If it does, you want to clean it off with an alcohol wipe, like a microfiber cloth. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to line this up, and I'm going to get it where I need it since I actually got bigger than the design. And I'm going to pop this down just like so. All right, so let's go ahead and take it over to the press. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get down 2 pieces of parchment paper. Now on this one here, we're actually going to have our substrate up. So I'm going to have our printed design, the substrate up, and we're going to put down another piece of butcher paper or 2. Now for this right here, you're going to press it for 370 for 115 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this down, light pressure. We're going to carefully pop this open, move this out of our way. I'm actually going to get my heat gloves because this is going to be hot, so I highly recommend that you get a pair of heat resistant gloves. We're going to take this back over to the table. Then what you want to do is just quickly peel off your paper. I'm going to peel away our tape. I'm going to set that down on my counter to cool off. And there you have it. How super cute is that? Now, what's nice about having granite countertops, it literally takes seconds to do that. So don't just put that down on any sort of countertop. You want to definitely make sure and be safe on that. But how cute is this? So you can do all sorts of different colors. So you're just using a blank background, changing your colors. You're going to take this bundle from Design Bundles. It comes with over 20 different designs. I also got the font over there. Those will all be linked down below. And you can create all sorts of different ones. You can change it up and do however you would like. So now to put the phone case together, all you're simply going to do is peel off this paper here. And we're just simply going to line this up and get it in there, just like so. And just like that, you've got a phone case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.